Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to use the graduation picture renamer program. So you'll get the zip file, go ahead and right click on it and hit extract all. That will extract it and give you this folder. Open it up and you will be led to here. Go ahead and open up the program and you will see this GUI. So basically there's two methods of renaming the pictures. You can either use the automated program or the manual program. So for the automated one, your Excel has to look something like this. Basically, go ahead and take your text file. What I did is take the text file and put it in Excel, and it looks like this. So it has to look exactly like this. It has to have a code, color, and then the generic code, and then the name, of course, and two formals. This code right here, that's generic for everybody, and then this right here. If it looks exactly like this, then you can go ahead and use the program without any kind of formatting. However, if it does not look exactly like this, you'll have to use the manual method. What you can do is format this file and make it look something like this using Excel. So you can use indexing formulas and slicing formulas in order to bring, for example, you can cut characters from here and get the names and put it here, and then you can cut characters from here and get the codes and put it in here. So just like that, you can bring it to two columns. It has to look exactly like this for the manual method. So column A is old name, column B is new name. Has to look exactly like this. So these are basically the difference between the automatic method and the manual method. Whichever way is preferable for you, you can use. So I'll show you both. Let's start with the automated method. So what you have to do is get your pictures. So I have my pictures on a different folder. I'll just bring my pictures into my main directory of the program. So right here, the main directory, I'll just bring it over here. I have 437 pictures. And then after that, I'll go back to my program and I will select the Excel file that looks like this, exactly like this, with the names and the generic code. So I'll select it and I'll give it a second and it'll say operation successful and it'll rename all the files. If it finds a file that has no corresponding name, it'll go ahead and leave it unnamed. So that's basically the automatic method. Now for the manual method, it works exactly the same way. So you bring up your manual Excel file, make sure it looks exactly like this, old name, new name, and you take the pictures and you put it in the directory. I have 437 again, and I will go ahead and hit the manual button, and I will find the Excel file that looks like this, and I'll give it a second, and it'll say operation successful, and there you go. It has renamed all the files. And if it again finds something that has no corresponding name, it'll leave it unnamed. So the last feature that I have in the program is the generate template feature. So basically, what this does is it will take a template picture that, for example, looks like this, and it'll generate multiple pictures, multiple files of students that have no pictures. So if you have an Excel file, for example, that looks like this right here. So these are basically students that have no pictures. So if you have something like this, you can go ahead and use a program to generate template files. So what you do is pretty simple. You go ahead and have a template.png. It has to look exactly like this in the directory. It also says it right here. It must be PNG and in the directory. And what you do is you click on this and lead the program to the location where there is the Excel file with the no pictures. So no pictures, students right here. And I will lead the program to that Excel file and I'll click on it. And I'll give it a second and it'll create those pictures for me. And if I can test it, I can just click on a picture and there you go. It's that template file. Just copied it multiple times. So if you have any questions or if you need any help with this program, I'll leave my email in the description or you can comment on the YouTube video and I'll try my best to help you out. Thank you and have a good one.